The plant in the image is a parlor palm, Chamaedorea elegans. It's a popular indoor plant due to its elegant appearance and low maintenance needs. Here are some detailed steps and tips for growing and caring for a parlor palm. Growing parlor palm. 1. Light requirements. Indirect light. Place your parlor palm in a location where it will receive bright, indirect sunlight. It can tolerate low light conditions but will thrive best in moderate to bright, indirect light. Avoid direct sunlight. Direct sunlight can scorch the leaves, so keep it away from direct sun exposure. 2. Watering. Consistent moisture. Water the plant thoroughly when the top inch of the soil feels dry. Ensure that the soil is consistently moist but not waterlogged. Avoid overwatering. Overwatering can lead to root rot. Allow the soil to dry out slightly between waterings. Humidity. Parlor palms appreciate higher humidity. Mist the leaves regularly or place a humidifier nearby, especially in dry indoor environments. 3. Soil. Well-draining soil. Use a well-draining potting mix. A standard houseplant potting mix with added perlite or sand for drainage works well. Container. Ensure the pot has drainage holes to prevent water from pooling at the bottom. 4. Temperature. Optimal range. Parlor palms prefer temperatures between 65-80 degrees, 18-27 degrees. Avoid drafts. Keep the plant away from cold drafts, air conditioners, and heaters. 5. Fertilizing. Regular feeding. Feed your parlor palm with a balanced, water-soluble fertilizer every month during the growing season, spring and summer. Reduce in winter. Cut back on fertilizing during the fall and winter when the plant's growth slows down. 6. Pruning and maintenance. Remove dead leaves. Prune off any yellow or brown leaves at the base to encourage new growth and maintain the plant's